Welcome children. In this session we will study about constructing a 90-degree angle at any point on a given line segment or line. A line or line segment is given. You will be able to construct a 90-degree line on the upper side of the line. Normally we will be taking a horizontal line. So on one side of the line you can construct a 90-degree line. By extending it to the other side you can have the 90-degree angle on the other side too. So we will see it, but all this will be done with the help of compass. We are not going to use any set square, or we are not going to use any protractor. We will use compass and draw 90-degree at any given point. Wherever, which point we want to put, we will be able to do it. Topic of the lesson, topic of now. For that, first we will construct in this problem. It is PQ is a line segment of length of 4.6 centimeter, and we will have to construct 90-degree at P, at the left end of the line PQ using compass. So first we will take the ruler. I am clicking and bringing the ruler over here. The ruler is ready here. I can adjust the length of the ruler. Okay, to the center I am still adjusting, as you can see here. Now I will just zoom it so that you are able to see it. See, now you are able to see it. Actually, I can just bring it down here by pulling it down here. Okay, the question is up above. As you can see, the length of the line segment PQ is 4.6 centimeter. So we'll have to draw 4.6 centimeter here. I'll take the arrow here. I'll bring it still down here. Now I'll take the line. We are using a draw lines option here for the purpose of drawing line segments. So I taken it. The cursor turns into a plus. I align the midpoint at the point of the plus to align with 0. It's at 4.6. I'll bring and straight to you. You see, it is from 0 to 4.6. The line is marked red. It is 4.6, as you can see. And now I will zoom out little, and I will just reduce the size of this too. It's very bigger in size, no? Yeah. Now I'll have to draw 90-degree at P. Let me mark. It has just moved to the right. I will align it at the center. Okay. And after that, I'll just draw. I'll move this over. I'll have to mark P here. I'll take the pencil, write it with pencil. Okay. I will pen to write P here. I'll just magnify and then do it so that it will be okay. I'll drag it to center. I'll take the pencil and write here P. This is the point P. This is the point Q. Okay. At P, I will have to draw 90-degree using compass. So I'll just go back to zoom out mode. I'll zoom out, and then now I'll come back to take the compass. The compass is here. I'm dragging it over here. I got the compass here. Initially, see here, when I put it here, it is set at 6.1 centimeter. I can reduce it because the line length is 4.6. I'll have to draw a semicircle initially, keeping the pivot at P. At P, keeping P as center, I'll have to draw a semicircle, and the radius of that semicircle should be less than half of the line segment PQ, half of 4.6, which is something 2.3. So I will align it to 3 centimeter. I am just doing it. Now it is I have kept it at 3.3. it is comfortable. So the distance is 3.3. I'll have to take it over here. So when I keep the cursor hover over that compass, I get a plus sign, which means I can click it and bring it over to the point P here. Okay, I will just rotate it also so that I can just see whether it is C. I'll bring the magnifier here and show you that it is exactly at that point. I'll have to minimize the size of the magnifier, or I'll make it as something like this so that I can, yeah, I'll magnify it a little bigger. See here, you can see the tip, it is not exactly at that point. Yeah, now it is exactly at the point. Okay, as you can see, I'll just show it. You see here, the magnifier is correctly at the end of it. Okay, I'll zoom out. Now I can remove this magnifier. It is there. Everything is set. I'll have to draw a semicircle. So for that I'll have to just bring the cursor pointer to near that pen end of it. The cursor turns into some arc like structure. Now I can click it so that I can move it, but before that I'll have to draw the circle. I'll be drawing from the line PQ, so I'll just rotate it to the side. Okay, align it with this. Now when I bring the cursor over here, the arrow mark says that, yeah, it is now ready. I can draw a semicircle like this. Okay, I have drawn nearly a semicircle, maybe a semicircle, or I can even go beyond it also here. I just need this much only. Okay, after this, without changing the setup, the distance in the compass, I will now move it over to the point Q. You can see it here. The tip is at the point Q. I'll just move the, yeah, now you see here the tip is at Q exactly. Now after keeping it at Q, now I'll remove the magnifier. I have to make an arc on the previous line, so I will just rotate it to this point. I'll make an arc. When I hover the cursor over the pen tip of the compass, I have made one arc here. After this, I will just catch hold of it and bring the cursor pointer here over. Okay, you see here. Okay, it has come out exactly kept at that place. I'll catch hold of the pen tip of the compass. Yeah, and then I will make a big arc. I'm making a big arc here. Okay, big arc here is a smaller arc, it is a bigger arc. Now I will take the compass and center it at the intersection of the second arc made. Okay, and then I'll have to rotate it to the right, something like this. I'll have to make an arc here somewhere, so I'll leave it. After rotating it, I'll take the pen tip of the compass. Once I get the arc, I'll catch hold of it and draw one more arc here. Okay, this is all done now. Now to draw the line, 90-degree line at P, I just choose the line segment here. From the point P here, click, and I will just raise it, passing through the point of intersection of the upper arc. This angle is your 90-degree. This angle of yours is 90 degree. I will just make a simple line like structure here. This is your 90-degree angle. So at P we have made 90-degree angle, and this is all about it.